Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to plan for you guys in my Print Impressions Weekly. I have pulled some date dots and of course this floral book from the Happy Planner that I like to incorporate. And this week I'm going to be using this one-page kit from Spotted Gum. I use one of these every week. Of course, I do just a basic setup and then add to it from that point forward. I thought this was really pretty for the week of Valentine's. I don't have anything that is, you know, the traditional Valentine look, but I like the florals. I think this is very romantic colors, and so I thought I would use this. I did have this left over. This was my newest addiction. It was a kit that I purchased from her, and I had these date dots left over. And yes, this is in rose gold. These are magenta, so I'm just going to kind of do a little mixed metals situation right there. And then in this book, I found these that have the same colors. You can see that same pink reflected, and then you can also see just the shapes of the leaves are very similar. They kind of got that sharp point on there. And so I thought I could do something with this. Now, let's go ahead and go into the planner, and then I will pull out what we're going to be doing. This is last week, so I need to pull this like this to get started. So that's just one of my little cards there, and I'm just going to leave my ribbon pulled out, and I think I'm ready to plan. So let's go ahead. Excuse me, I do have a very rough voice. I know I do. I apologize. It is just one of those situations. I have just, oh gosh, I've just got so much sinus situation going on, and so yeah, it's just, let's see, how do I want to, let's do it like that right there. Okay. And then I want to overlap with, let's see, I want to use this big one, I really do. And I may do that and just, I mean, it would be really fun if I could do that. Let me grab my scissors. Okay, I'm going to cut this, and then I'm going to space it. I'm not going to put it all the way to the middle. I'm going to use that line as a guide. It's not perfect, but I think it'll work. Yeah. Just like, let's see here. All right, there we go. Now I have this little bit that I can trim off. If I can get my scissors on there straight. Okay, there we go. Love that so far. Okay, let's see what we're gonna do with this down here. I like this darker color because it matches. So I do want to incorporate this. So let's just go like this right here and have another flower like maybe this right here. So we've got some flowers incorporated in. Let's go ahead. I also want to use this color, and I think I just want to kind of layer it in here. How do I want to do it? How about like that right there? That'll work. I have turned it every way, which way but loose. But hey, I mean, I used a lot of that sheet, so that makes me feel good. All right, let's go in with the basic kit like I do every week. And this is what I'm going to start with. All right, I'm just going to go in and put in my headers where they belong. Yes, I'm overlapping, completely and totally aware that I'm overlapping. That's the whole idea. I love the look of overlapping stickers. I say that every week, I think. But, so how are you guys doing this week? How are you? I am, like I say, suffering from some serious sinus problems. It's just, when it can't decide outside, the weather can't decide what it wants to do, it really, really gets my sinuses and my allergies messed up because things will kind of start blooming out too soon. it's just crazy. It's here in the South, it's just, you never know. There's always something, blooming, or, something getting stirred up. And, if you live in a more rural area, you're going to get, things like tractors stirring up dust on, their like farms, and things like that. You're going to see a lot of agricultural stuff down here. So, when they are planting and all that kind of stuff, there is a definite, let's go in with this while I'm talking to my date dots. And Monday starts with the 8th. But yeah, I mean, they're starting up with their farming and things like that. And you never know when they're stirring up and and planting a different crop. And yeah, it is what it is, but it messes me up. And then I sound all croaky when I'm trying to film a video. So I am behind on my filming for this week again, but I am pushing through because I want to for you, very much so for you. And I can't believe it's the week of Valentine's. Guys, I hate Valentine's Day so much. And I think I'm going to put a heart since it is the holiday, but I hate Valentine's. I mean, I really hate Valentine's. I just don't, I'll just write in Valentine's Day if I don't have any script for it. But, it is what it is. Let's go in with the bottom washi. Yeah, I guess I'd feel different, if I had a significant other that, I knew we were going to, like, be able to go to dinner or, stuff like that. But there's not a significant other at the moment. And, because of that, I'm going to bring this fully over this way. I don't know. I guess it's just hard. It seems like it's a hard holiday because everybody's in love. And I'm not. So not. Okay, let's see here. All right. I need to go in with my checklists. So I need to do my checklist for this week, just my general checklist, overall, what I need to accomplish for the week. It's really easy to just lay these down with this grid pattern. I love it so much. Oh, I really do love it. So yeah, I hope that you guys are having a good week. I'm just kind of making it through, I guess. It's, it is what it is. The week is going along and I'm kind of living through it, The days, since COVID happened, guys, are just, it just has meant for me very boring, not a whole lot to do lifestyle. I mean, I have some friends I do some stuff with, and, I go out on dates and stuff, but overall, the rest of the time, that it just, I don't know. I'm finding myself in such a state of boredom, and I know that probably everyone is feeling that way. And so I guess I'm not going to do that for Sunday, by the way. I need to do another one let me hold that with my finger. And I'm going to use where it says next week. And I'm going to use this checklist right here. I think that's so cute. And we're going to put this right here. The way that I plan in this is just really free form, nothing, like serious. It's just the basics of what I need to have written down that I can keep this by me and check off and do things, make reminders, that sort of stuff. So, yeah, the only thing that I probably will have left over is this right here, which is just yet another checklist that I could have used for, you know what, let's go ahead and use it. Let's just go ahead and use it. And I can put it below. I'm used to putting it up against that header, but I mean, hey, it'll still go in here too. I just am starting the day with the holiday on there. That'll work. I'm okay with that. All right, and let's see here. I want to go in with my self-care. I wish it was payday week so much, but it's not. It's not payday week at all, and I really need it to be. I'm going to just go in. I'll just list the things I do, like whether it's a mask or soak in the tub one night, or, you know, or, I mean, that night, not one night, that night, you know, something to just, you know, kind of help relax me. So let's see here. I do usually do the planning sesh, and I usually do that on Sundays. So we can put that, whoop, we can put that down right here. There we go. And then I won't be paying bills or have payday this week. I do need to mark a appointment on the 12th. And I can, you know what, let's use this right here. Let's see. So I have a doctor appointment. I got to go back in from the CT scan I had last week. I've got to go in and get the results and see what, if anything, if they have found anything. Okay, let's see here. I can go in with, today I've got a lot of filming going on, so I'm going to put this big thing here because that's the majority of what I'm going to be doing today is getting some filming done. And also I have gotten back into my diamond painting. I got away from it for a couple of weeks. And so, yeah, other than, you know, filming my videos for this week, then, you know, pretty much just diamond painting the rest of the week because there's nothing else to do, you know, other than just basics. Yeah, so there's that. Okay, and then I'm just going to pull this, and I am going to put on here that I'm not going to put it all the way at the bottom. What I'm going to do is I am going to be grooming and bathing my baby girl, Izzy. And because she needs it, guys. She really needs it. She's having to wear, you know, she's having to wear all this sweaters, you know, things like that because it's so cold. But it's just really, it makes her stinky. So I have to wash her sweaters or her little sweatshirt things that she wears. You know, I have to do all that and then bathe her regularly because when she's wearing something like that, she gets stinky faster. So yeah, guys, I think that's going to be it. I mean, it's very straightforward. It's just my typical, you know, week in the life situation. I love that I pulled in these colors from these stickers. I just think it looks really good. So yeah, guys, I hope that you enjoyed watching. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. And yeah, I think I'm going to go and finish the rest of my week. Love you guys.